Hey guys, I want to wait just a minute just to be able to allow the buffering to kind of take place and let you guys just kind of hop on here. It's a glorious Monday morning, and I am so thrilled to tell you about something that we have just launched with a maker studio. So, you know, we've often said this. Okay, here's what's funny. Y'all are coming on here. I've got to put my glasses on to see you. Hey, Miss Cheryl. Hey, girl. I hope you're feeling better. Hey, Cherise. So as you pop on here, just say, hey, tell me where you're tuning in from. And just to let you guys know, my name is Amy Howard. I've been dubbed the Mother Maker. But here's my thought process. Hey, Laurie. Hey, Barbara. We are all sisters from a different mother. And here's the reason why. We love crafting. We love making things. And I even got up this morning to be able to make something that I wanted to be able to show you that was in our new maker box. But have you ever been like this? Have you ever seen something on Pinterest and you make your list down of everything you need to do that project? You go to a big box store, you spend $200 or $300. You get home and you can't do one project. Who's ever done that? And it just leads to frustration. The other thing, my thought process in making things, in crafting, in what I say, crafting a beautiful life, I love learning new things too. And so as I'm wanting to be able to learn how to do things, I like turning around and developing products so you can do the same thing. So guess what? I've got this. This is a pretty cumbersome box, but I want to hold this up and I want to walk you through everything that is in this box. Guys, we put a glorious maker box together that allows you to be able to do 5 different projects. The surfaces, the product, everything in here. And here's the other thing. Those of you that love our stencils, we have 3 brand new stencil designs that will not be available any other way but in the maker box. But here's the great thing. You don't have to go and hunt and find all these things to go with it. Everything is in the box. Because I didn't want to frustrate you. I don't want you having to run to the store and buy things. I wanted you to be able to put them together. Now, I want to show you the projects. Imagine, this maker box is $99, but it's got 5 projects in it. 5. So you think about, you're going to be able to make a pillow. You're going to be able to make stationery. You're going to be able to make a Valentine frame to be able to give to your honey bun. And you're also going to be able to have stencils that you can reuse. We've got a mold. I'm just going to go through this. I want you to see all the things that you can do in this new maker box. And the value, it's got almost a $200 value in the box itself. Those of you that are popping on here, this box is only $99 and it has everything in it. All right, so let's go through. I want to show you. This has been something that I had wanted to do for a long time. Look at this. Can y'all imagine what this is? This is a yummy silicone mold. Now, you can use it for a couple of different things. But what I wanted to be able to show you how to use it was in the fact that it's wintertime, our skin is very dry. And I don't know about y'all, but have you ever looked on the back of a bottle of lotion or even shampoo, the things that we are using? Guys, it's like a chemical experiment. We don't need to be putting things like that on our bodies. And the fact that we need moisture, especially with the wintertime, I thought it would be a lot of fun to have you learn how to be able to make your own lotion bars. So we have this incredible high quality lotion bar mold that you're able to make them. Look at this. This is what I made this morning. So it takes about 45 minutes to be able to solidify back in your mold. And I'm just going to pop this out of the mold, and I want to show you what it looks like. The cool thing about it is you can use this for yourself as well as, look at this. You can use this for yourself as well as give it away as a gift. I just broke one of those off. Help me, Hannah. Look at this. But the yummy thing about this is you just rub it with your hands and it gives this yummy softness to your skin. So when you get out of the shower, even before you get out of the shower, you can use these yummy lotion bars to be able to make your skin really soft. Put them in a cute cellophane bag, put a bow on it, and give it to a friend that you meet for coffee. Love it. Y'all know me. I love making things for myself that I can enjoy, and it makes my life just more, I believe it's more rich because I enjoy using my etched glasses. I like using my stationery to write a thank you note, all those type things. So, but I also love giving them as gifts. If I meet somebody for coffee, or if I go to a Bible study, or if I go to a book club, I can take that as just as a little happy and say, I made this for y'all. And it didn't cost but pennies on a dollar. All right, so the next project, this is the first project. We're gonna be making lotion bars. And I wanna show you the ingredients. Look at this. We have already pre-measured everything that goes in it. Your coconut oil, your vitamin E, your essential oils, everything to be able to make your lotion bars. It's all pre-measured. You've got a recipe card that will give you the directions exactly how to be able to do it, and you'll be able to make your own. You're gonna have so much fun, and you're gonna get addicted. You're gonna wanna do them again and again. The great thing about the mold that we have in this kit, you can make hundreds of them with this. You just need to be able to get the ingredients, and we're gonna have that for you to be able to buy them in the future. All right, next thing, we have included our synthetic papers. This is a special paper that you need to be able to do with alcohol inks. And to be honest with you, this paper is normally fairly expensive. You can see it online. A lot of times it's called Yupo paper, but this is a special synthetic paper that is intended just for alcohol inks. So in the recipe card, I walk you through how to be able to create your own art with our alcohol inks. It's so fun, and you can incorporate it with one of our stencils. So I wanna show you, this is project 2, look at this. I love, if any of you are ever familiar with John Darien, he is a fabulous artist out of New York that does great vintage designs on his decoupage, on his paperweights, everything. I just love him. But look at these designs. Aren't they glorious? Look at this. Love, love, love. You can only get these stencils in this maker box. Sorry. But I wanted to make it really special and a lot of fun where you're going, this is a great value. I know, girl, don't you love this? Look at this. Look at the bee. Oh, I mean, who doesn't love bees? This is a pattern that we're using on our third project, our pillow. So I'm going to be showing you how to create an ombre effect with our one step. So you get a container of one step, actually 2 for this project, because I'm teaching you how to go from a darker blue to a really white. It gradates, and it's a beautiful look of ombre. And then here's your pillowcase. So it's an 18 by 18 all cotton pillowcase that'll be able to allow you to incorporate it with this one. Oh, Bobby, I love that idea. Here's the cool thing. This would be a great wallpaper. But guys, remember, when you get the stencils in this maker box, you just wash them, you clean them, you can follow our instructions, rinse them in the sink, allow the adhesive side to dry up, and use them again and again and again. They're fabulous. All right, so next project. So let's go over this. We've got our mold. We're gonna be doing our lotion bars. We're gonna be doing an ombre pillowcase with the bee design on top. We're gonna be doing our alcohol ink art with our patterns. We're also gonna be making custom stationery. We had the best time doing this. We're gonna walk you through how to be able to, I wanna show you the stencil I did with this, how to be able to do watercolor and make your own stationery. These are perfect for Valentine's Day. While this is not a Valentine's stencil per se, it does have I love you, it has all these different emblems and icons on it that are perfect for giving Valentine gifts. So you're gonna absolutely love it. So now that's project number 4 that we'll be making our own stationery. Number 5, we've included a picture frame for you to be able to make your own picture frame to be able to give away as a gift, be able to use in your home. There's so many different ways that you can use this because we've included all of these different gel inks in different colors. I've done it in primary, so that way you'll be able to mix a lot of different colors. You've got your spreader, and then we've included your tools, your beeswax, your brushes, everything you need, along with your recipe cards to create 5 incredible projects, and it's just $99. So I want you to know that when we make these maker boxes, we only have a supply for so many, primarily because of our stencils. So if you want one of these, maybe you want to be able to give one to your creative friend as a gift for Valentine's Day or for a birthday, it's absolutely perfect. I can't wait to see what you do with your projects. Remember, we are all about your success and being able to understand how to use the product, how to be able to go through and get a final result with these incredible 5 projects that we have in this box. Be sure, join our Facebook group called Crafting a Beautiful Life, and that way you can get on there and share what you've done and enjoy the bragging rights. Have a fantastic Monday, everybody. Mwah! I love you, and I can't wait for you to get your new goodie box.